In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this web page is not available error. If a site won't load in Google Chrome, but your internet is otherwise working, it's often a quick browser fix. I'll walk you through a clean sequence to clear old data, rule out extensions, and refresh Chrome's DNS cache so you can get back online. Start in Chrome and open the menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner. This opens the controls we need to adjust how Chrome is behaving. Next, head into Settings. This is where Chrome keeps everything related to your data, privacy, and installed tools. In the left sidebar, choose Privacy and Security. Connection problems can come from outdated or corrupted cached files, cookies, or security rules stored here. So this section is the right place to start. Open Clear Browsing Data. Clearing this removes stored site copies and old cookies that can block or misroute requests. Don't worry, your bookmarks and saved passwords aren't removed by default here, but you may need to sign in again on some sites afterward. Confirm by selecting Delete Data. Give Chrome a moment to finish. The browser may feel a bit slower for a few seconds as it rebuilds fresh caches, which is normal. Now go to Extensions in the sidebar. Extensions are incredibly helpful, but a single one can sometimes interrupt requests or filter traffic in a way that causes pages to fail. Temporarily disable all extensions using the toggle next to each one. We're not uninstalling anything, just pausing them so we can test the browser in a clean state. Later, you can re-enable them one at a time to identify any culprit. Open a new tab and type chrome/netinternal/-dns into the address bar, then press enter. This brings up Chrome's internal DNS tools. DNS is like the phone book of the internet, translating names to addresses. If Chrome has a bad entry saved, the page can't be reached. Click Clear Host Cache. This flushes Chrome's own DNS records, so it will request fresh, correct information on the next load. That's it for the fixes. Go back to your tab and try loading the site again. If it works, great. You can turn your extensions back on one by one, testing as you go. If the error remains, you've at least ruled out cached data, extensions, and Chrome's DNS. At that point, the issue may be outside the browser, such as a network or server problem, but these steps resolve most browser-side causes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get that page working again.